brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so today I'm gonna make some brown stew chicken, and this is what I have, my chicken right here. So now I'm gonna go in with some blended season. Nice, look at that luscious green. I'm gonna put it in right here in my chicken, just like that. So now powder season, maggi spice up as usual, a little bit of salt to taste, some black pepper. Can't manage them, I know them just too slow. Alright, chicken season and some smoked paprika. See there, season on this meat here. You don't have to use the season that I'm using. You can use whatever season you like on your meat, but these are all the season that I'll be using. Alright, so now time to rub up the meat, and we're gonna rub them up nice. Full of Scallion. See there, rub up this nice and sweet, just like that, everyone. See that? Smell nice, I see? Smell nice. Everything smell nice, and everything I do right. Flavor we are deal with. Flavor and all of that in our chicken. Now remember, this is a brown stew chicken me I deal with today. Alright? I want all that taste and all that flavor in your chicken. Okay? It's a cook with love, you know. Remember, my people, this is cooking with love. Put him down for marinate for about 30 minutes or an hour. Okay? And when me I fry them up nicely, me I go show you how me fry up my chicken also. Okay? Soon come back. When you put seasoning in your pot, my people, especially them garlic, make the chicken flavorful, and it also make the chicken more tender. Alright? So we are going with the chicken just like that. This is brown stew chicken, everyone, Jamaican style. Alright, so we have put the chicken in our pot, nice and sweet, just like that. See it here? Chicken all in our pot. So this is it, and we are going to make him fry till him brown, not burn up now. Brown him nicely, and then we will cook him up. Soon come back again, because remember, 1 heap of chicken we have to fry today. Okay? I turn some of the chicken, and now when your garlic are burnt, now you can remove them. Alright? Just like that. Remove them just like that. Alright, my people? Remove these. Now that they are burned, you just remove them. Alright? Because all that flavor is already in the oil. Okay? So when me I cook up the chicken, this is how all the other batch is going to be fried. And when I'm finished, I am going to show you guys the end results. Okay? Soon come back again. So now at this time, only one meat left to fry. And if you're using Irish potato, which is optional, you can do it like this. Alright? When I'm doing it, I always fry my Irish potatoes, in order that when you cook it down, it won't look white. So you imitate it with the chicken. Okay, so I always fry up my Irish potato, not too burnt, but just that it got a little brown color. And then I am going to go in and show you the rest, how I add the other rest of seasoning. Okay, soon come back. So now that our Irish potatoes are looking just like this, see, now I'm going to remove them from the fire, from the oil, and then I am going to preserve some of this oil and wash out the pot. And I'm going to show you all the things that I do when I'm doing my brown stew chicken. Alright, stay tuned, my people, and don't go anywhere. So now everyone, I rinse the pot out because I don't like to cook up my meat into the burn up stuffs. Okay, use some of the oil from your chicken that you just fry up. Okay, give it that nice flavor just the same. Don't change your oil, use the same oil. As you can see, I am using the same oil. Alright, so now while the oil is in the pot, we're going to add our season. We're going to add these, all of our seasons, right into this oil and go and fry them up. Here. Now do it like this with all the spice and all the season, all that onion and carrot. Alright, put it in there, right in your pot, just like that. See it? Put everything, and as you can see, the oil is the seasons, sorry, are right into the juice from the chicken. I do not throw it away either. I'm using it just the same. So put all of this right in, so right in the pot, everything there. Then now put up a ketchup in your pot, flavor up the pot. We want all that flavor in our chicken. Nice Jamaican, authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken. This one. Now we're gonna add some water. Remember, gravy stage we make. Then we put in the chicken. Now remember, you do not want a lot of water into your gravy just to see them. Because remember, see, chicken fry up already, you know, nicely. Your chicken fry up nicely already. See that color? So we want it. And this is just the same if you do French fried chicken. This is just the same way you make your gravy. Alright. So we are put this, and we are going to put some more pack season. Remember, say you don't want a lot of pack season because the chicken already have that flavor and that season. So do it just like that. See it there? See it, my people? And we are going to put in the chicken. See it here? Put in the chicken. And when we finish putting the chicken in our pot, everything are going in the pot. See it there? Put in all your chicken in your pot. And we're going to do all of this, and we're going to close him up and make him go and simmer down. Alright? And when him done simmer down, we're going to open him up and show you. Alright? Stay tuned. See it there, my people? Everything there in our pot now. See it? And him well simmer down. Look at that steam. Him well simmer down now. Close him up and make him go and sweat. Alright? Slowly like this. See there? This is what we have. Brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. Alright? Close down your pot now. So alright, see it here? Everybody, see it here? This is it. Tastes good, look good, everything good about this pot. Brown stew chicken, authentic brown stew chicken, Jamaican thing this. See it there, everyone? See it there? Yes, man. And remember, don't fill my water. You don't want a lot of water in your brown stew chicken. No matter of fact, any meat at all. Keep him like that. See it there, everybody? Chicken well fried and well cooked down. Alright, soon come back again. This is it. This is the end result, my love, my people. Remember, you can have this with rice and peas. You can have it with some white rice. You can also have it with dumpling, yam and banana, brown food. You can also have it with bread, anything, mashed potato, potato salad, anything you want to have this with. Alright, don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, everyone. And thank you for watching in advance.